Are you a software developer or a company building awesome ERP, CRM, or other business applications? Do you ever wish you could speed up development and focus more on what you do best? We know the struggle. Building and maintaining essential business functionalities from scratch can be a huge time and resource drain. That's where Socrate Business Services, or SBS, comes in. We offer a suite of friendly, cloud-based APIs designed to handle those common, time-consuming tasks for you. Imagine having instant access to features like seamless email sending and receiving, secure file storage, smart in-app notifications, and even complex regional compliance like VAT validation or e-Factura for Romania, all ready to go with minimal fuss. With SBS, you'll save development time, reduce maintenance costs, and get your solutions to market faster. Plus, it's totally secure, super flexible, and scales effortlessly as your business grows. You only pay for what you use. Ready to simplify your software development and boost your efficiency? Discover the power of Socrate Business Services today. Visit us at socrate.io to learn more.